Just got this in. So this is the XINLIN X165. There's nothing really super special about it. It's cheap. I can say that. So I'm just gonna see how it flies. Well, that's weird. It seems to be drifting to the side. Huh. It's drifting off to one side all the time. Should I trim it out? Nope, it still drifts. And the drift gets worse the longer you fly. Wonder what's going on with that. Let's try calibrating the gyros. Alright, that's supposed to calibrate the gyros. Now it's just going in a completely different direction. It's going backward. Gotta put it here. I think we need a completely level surface. I know right here is about as level as it gets. Well, let's see what happens. Nope, it's still going off to like some weird side. Alright, you know what? Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Let's see the instructions. Let's read what the instructions say. Accelerator alignment. Okay, oh, what's this? Note, if it is still driven to one direction, you can put it on the horizontal ground and place several papers on that direction. The quantity of the papers needed is depending on the driven level so that it can adjust the accelerometer horizontal angle of deviation. Put it on the ground and put several papers. Is this some kind of April Fool's joke? I wish it was, guys. But I have never, ever seen instructions tell you to put the quad on the ground and put paper in the opposite direction to get it to calibrate correctly. Because, and you know, why would they write this? Why would they write this? They know this is messed up. They know it's screwed up. Okay, but you know what? We're going to try it. We're going to see if it actually works. So we're going to get some paper. So I'm not really sure how much paper we need, but here we go. So I guess it was sort of like shifting towards this way, I felt. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right down on the paper like that. See if we got any better. Okay. Well, seems to be a little bit better now. I've got a hard. It's literally getting away from me. I'm having such a hard time bringing it back. Let's try some more paper. All right. Did we get it? Do we finally make it level? Maybe so. Well, it's not perfect, but it's better than it was before. But I'm still having a really hard time with the controls. Huh. We're gonna just do this. See what happens. Alright. Oh, now maybe it's too much in the other direction. It's almost like it fixes itself and then it undoes what I did. I don't know how to explain it. There's definitely something wrong with this. And I think it's hilarious that they included to try to calibrate it on a piece of paper. That is just the funniest thing I've read in the instructions for a drone in a long time. So, what do I have to say about this one? Obviously, I wouldn't recommend it. It's a shame because I took a look at this one and I thought, oh, it looks pretty cool. Looks like it's got parts available for it. It's only $14. Maybe mine's defective, but I find it really interesting that they actually wrote that in the instructions for this. So I'm really, really worried about recommending this one, given the fact that you might wind up with the same exact issue. There are definitely way better drones of this size in this class. You're going to spend a little bit more money for them, but I would recommend doing that rather than getting this. Something like the Hubsan Nano that I recently reviewed, or you could even get the Cheerson CXOF. It's another quad in similar size. Again, you probably spend more money, but you'd be better off than getting this. This is just some sort of cruel April Fool's joke from China. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great Easter and April Fool's Day. And as always, have a great day, guys. Oh my God. You can put it on the horizontal ground and place several papers on that direction. Oh man, no. Just no.